Hi everyone, are you looking to take your fashion or product designs to the next level? Today I'm going to show you how to use the Prome AI for fashion and product design mock-ups. Let's get started. Prome AI is a creative AI design platform that allows you to instantly turn your ideas into visual mock-ups. And to get started, go to your Chrome and search thepromeai.com and sign up for free. Once you're in, you'll see a clean dashboard with the options of mockups, render, or interior designs. Then, create a fashion mockup. Let's say you want a design a streetwear hoodie. Click on the AI mockups, then go to a fashion or design material. Then just enter the prompt like a minimalist streetwear hoodie with the bold text graphics with the neutral tones and oversized fit. Then the Chrome AI will generate the mock-up with your description. You can even upload a flat sketch or base image to refine it. Adjust the style, material texture, and lighting or camera angle. Then boom, you've got a production ready design preview. For the product designers, Prome AI is a game changer. And once you're happy with your mockups, hit download. Then you can export or image in a high solution. You can use it in presentations, catalogs, products, or social media. This is perfect for showcasing ideas before prototyping or pitching to clients. Whether you're in a fashion, branding, or industrial design, the Chrome AI saves you time, money, and creative effort. Try it now and start designing like a pro. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.